So as someone who is mostly inclined to plant native trees and fruit trees, it has been troubling me that so far I have planted one nut tree, one timber tree, and two ornamentals, none of which were native, as my sort of main trees. So today I thought I'd kind of rectify that and try and plant something that is both native and a fruit tree, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so let's go and get it done. Right, so today's victims are Syzygium, I think it's Syzygium cordatum, which is the Waterberry, which had also popped up in the lawn. Now, the big mistake of today is I assumed that because they often grow in swamps, they wouldn't have a deep taproot. They do have quite a deep taproot, so in all but one of the 4 I dug up, that is damaged. So, insurance, I'm planting all 4 quite close together. If they survive on both sides of the sort of pairing that I've planted them in today, then I will weave them together and try and make them into one tree in the longer run, because they do graft well, so that should be something I can do. With them, staying with a sort of native theme, I have planted some more Dracaena fragrans of the wild type, and a Sansevieria longiflora, I think it is, which is another native Dracaena, actually, by current classifications, used to be separated into Sansevieria, the snake plant, but turns out it's just a mess because Dracaena is a weird genus. And some Aloe cameronii, which is also native, although not to Lusaka, just to Eastern Province. And finally, because I can't just plant native things today apparently, I chucked in some Madagascan calico fetchinkoi, which is the lavender scallops calico, which should help exclude any sort of grasses and stuff trying to crowd those out too early, and make it a little easier to see where they are in the longer run. Yeah. So that should be it for today. So tune in tomorrow to see what awful decisions I make then.